Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an ink transition in Premiere Pro. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and download your free ink transition pack. There's a lot of free assets websites where you can download your free ink transitions from. And once downloaded, import them into your projects panel over here. So as you can see over here, I already have two video clips onto my timeline that I would like to add this ink transition effect to. So what you want to do first is to move your ink transition onto your video layer 3 over here. Start your second video to begin at the extreme end of your ink transition over here. Now next thing you want to do is to select your razor tool here and make a cut at this point here, and select your selection tool and move over to your video effects and search for the track mate key, and place your track mate key on the portion that you have cut out of this video over here. Now move over to your effects control panel, and under your track mate key, change your mate option to video 3, and the reason why you are doing that is because the ink transition is on your video 3 layer over here, and you want to change your composition to work with mate luma. It depends on the ink transition you have imported. Some will be mate alpha, some will be mate luma. So if you try the mate alpha, it doesn't work, you switch to the mate luma. Now if we go back here and hit play, you can see this transition that we have created over here. And that's it guys on how to add the ink transition effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.